welcome back, or welcome to Whip Craic, and a very warm welcome to Eurotreffen, a car show for European marques organised by the brilliant GTNI. It was Saturday, 5th of July 2025. I took the train on the Belfast-Larne line, getting off at the little halt of Maghermourne. It's a small little place that was once home to a giant cement works, latterly ran by Blue Circle, and it was them that gave the venue for today's show their name, the Blue Circle Cruising and Sailing Club, which is sat on the shores of Larne Loch. Maghermourne also has a famous quarry. It was used as the wall on Game of Thrones. But enough with the sightseeing and on with the car seeing. I always like to check the car park at car shows for some hidden gems. If you follow me on the gram, you know I love a beetle. I'll shut up now and let the cars do the talking. Stay to the end for my favourites and a special mention.
Perfect.
took a little break from the cars and went into the Blue Circle Club. And the reason I took the train to a car show. As promised, here are some of my favourites from the show. Higgins was present and showing her next build. I love this idea of bringing this to the show and hope to see it in all its glory at Dubshed 2026. If you don't follow Abby and her builds already, you really should. Eurotreffen is a very well run show that attracts great cars and is held at a fantastic venue. I urge you to attend this or any of the other brilliant GTNI events. But with this one drawing to a close, it was time to get the train home. Before I go, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who watched my last video on the Joey Dunlop celebrations. For this small channel, it really blew up. And I appreciate anyone who watches, likes and subscribes to any of my videos. See you in the next one.